In order to properly do this, you have to go in here and select this. Then you go in there and do that. And make sure you do MP operating. Budget name is the year. It's this. Only option is that. And then OK. And here's what you should see. Unfortunately, this isn't as helpful as you want, so you got to click on this. And that'll take you into these. Now you can see that you are looking at your general reef revenue and income fund, college of arts and sciences, and your project funding activity, which shows you that. Okay, thank you very much.